Hello, and welcome to the Binson's YouTube channel. Binson's has been around since 1953 and has served its community ever since, providing medical equipment to help improve the quality of life of our customers and their family members. On our channel, you'll find useful how-to videos about a variety of medical products. If you are new to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to get all of our latest content. In today's video, we will be going over how to use a home fill and portable liquid oxygen unit. This combination allows for the user to fill the portable tank up in their own home. In this video, we will be identifying the parts of the portable liquid oxygen unit and reservoir, as well as how to use the portable unit and refill it. First, let's identify all the parts to the reservoir. The contents indicator. This displays the amount of liquid oxygen remaining in the reservoir. Breathing oxygen supply. This is where you can attach an oxygen supply line to supply the portable unit with gaseous oxygen. Liquid oxygen fill connector. This is used to fill the portable with liquid oxygen. Portable release button. This is used to release the portable from the reservoir after it is done filling. Let's move on to the portable unit. Here, you can find the carrying handle, gas inlet connector. This is where you attach the oxygen supply line to supply the portable unit with gaseous oxygen from the reservoir. Flow control knob. This is an adjustable rotary valve that controls the rate of oxygen delivery. Oxygen outlet connector. This is where you can attach one tube of a dual lumen cannula to start and stop oxygen flow with each breath. Sense connector. The other end of the dual lumen cannula connects here to start and stop oxygen flow with each breath. Contents indicator strap. You can use this strap to lift up on the unit to measure the amount of liquid oxygen remaining in the unit. Vent valve. This is used to start and stop the portable filling process. Contents indicator. This displays the amount of liquid oxygen in the unit. Liquid oxygen fill connector. This is used to fill the portable with liquid oxygen. Filling the portable unit. Check the contents of the reservoir to ensure there is enough liquid oxygen for filling purposes. Using a dry cloth that is clean, wipe the male fill connector on the reservoir and female fill connector on the portable. Position the portable unit over the recessed area in the top of the reservoir. Carefully lower the portable into place, ensuring that the fill connectors are properly aligned. Place one or both hands on top of the portable and press straight down directly over the fill connector, being careful not to depress the release button when engaging. While holding the portable unit in the fill position, hold down and hold the vent lever in the open position. A hissing noise should be noticeable. During filling, maintain a slight downward force on the unit with one hand to keep the unit steady and maintain proper filling position. When you notice a change in the sound of venting gas followed by a dense white vapor forming around the reservoir cover, close the portable vent by returning the vent lever to the upright position. Disengage the portable from the reservoir by holding the carrying handle. Always hold the portable unit with at least one hand when attempting to disengage it. Check the oxygen contents indicator to make sure the portable unit is filled to the desired level. The amount of liquid oxygen contained in the portable is measured by an internal scale that is built into the unit. To operate the contents indicator, lift the portable unit by the contents indicator strap. Push on the bottom back side of the unit so that it is straight up and down. Observe the green bar that displays the liquid oxygen contents level inside the clear window. Breathing from the portable unit. In order to breathe from the portable unit, you must do so through a dual lumen nasal cannula. The nasal cannula has two connections on the portable unit. One connection is used to sense when you inhale. The other connection is used to supply oxygen as you inhale. Attach both ends of a dual lumen cannula to the portable. Either end may be attached to either connector. Turn the flow control knob on the unit clockwise to the setting prescribed by your physician. The flow setting valve should be clearly readable in the center of the window. The portable unit will not deliver oxygen if the flow control knob is set between flow settings. When your portable unit is set to 1 or above, oxygen will be delivered only while you inhale. You should notice a small pulse at the beginning of each breath. Oxygen is delivered during this pulse and continues as long as you inhale. Oxygen flow stops when you stop inhaling. When your portable unit is set below 1, oxygen is delivered continuously at the rate displayed on the flow control knob. I will put a table in the description below indicating the amount of time you can get from a full portable unit. The portable unit can operate in a variety of different positions. It is important to keep the portable in one of these positions, or oxygen may escape. The acceptable positions are as follows: laying flat on its back, laying in an inclined position on its back, in an upright position. Be sure not to put the portable into the following unacceptable positions: positioned with the handle lower than the bottom of the unit, positioned on its front, positioned with the handle lower than the bottom of the unit, laying on its front. Thank you for joining us today for another one of our how-to videos. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. If you have any questions or requests for more videos, leave it in the comments section below. Binson's, better products, better service, better lives.